We will do some unboxing. This our second order of this kind of product, and this is very tasty. This is the yogurt granola oats for daddy. So I order like this kind, and this one, this is chia seed yogurt with granola. And I think this one, mixed nuts oatmeal. This is 500 gram. And it's a portable price, so I will just put the link below of the shop where I ordered this. It's very fast. The deliver is so fast. So the first time I order is no, it's in the other shop, but it's sold out, so I will just find another source. So this kind of oatmeal, then I order and find another sealer. I order this one and the ship out the next day, so it's very fast. So the other one I order, it's been 1 week and they did not ship it until that's what said on the notice there, until end of this month. It's been so long, so I just cancel it and I find another source for this kind of oatmeal, which this one is 400 gram and this one is 500, and this kind is 250 gram. So all inside this one. So this is for Daddy Tom's breakfast. So in this one is very tasty. This one we ordered, and this one is, we did not try this before, so I ordered this one so that we can try this one. But this one is very tastes good. And as what they said, this one is really good too on the review of this product. So we will try it. We will try this tomorrow. And this one is mixed nuts. So you can open this easily. So you just cut on the top like that. So we will check inside. So this oatmeal mixed with nuts is, the inside is like this. So have nuts, nuts. Yeah, have almonds there. Yes, I can see. So I think this is really good. So we will try to open this one and we will check what's inside. So the other one is, we already know what is inside on that one. So we will check on this one, because outside it's really have many fruits, banana, I don't know what's the other things there. And we will see what's inside. Same. Oh, this is, so this one has really big banana here. So this kind here is the same as this one. So only this one has this berry, then this kind. So similar down here, but this one has banana. So And you can eat now. Mmm. Crunchy. Si Omar, when he heard me, he ran away. He ran here. He wants to eat, Daddy.
You want a snack?
You can eat this as a snack. So, a big banana. I ate already. Other banana. But few banana only. As you can see here. Tastes good. Want this banana? I don't like the banana. This one. Granola. It's crunchy. I will not open this one because this is same here on this side. Inside this one, only the difference is they add only few bananas like this. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. God bless.